Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your day? I hope you are well and always happy. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm Rizky Amitahira Nasution from TVI1 5th semester. In this video, I want to discuss something that's quite unique from our habits as an Indonesian, especially when hanging out with our friends. By the way, when you're hanging out and snacking with your friends, have you ever seen one food or one snack left on the plate or table? Yeah, usually in the situation, no one's take it, right? So, why is it left over and why doesn't anyone want to take it? Well, we will discuss the phenomenon in terms of Indonesian culture and customs. But before that, let's watch the video from TikTok which is related with this situation. Alright, without further ado, now let's start by talk about the reason why there's always leftovers. There are several reasons from this situation. First is because we have a culture of hesitation, or in bahasa we call it by sungkan, segan, or gak enakan. For example, there's one piece of red banana. Actually, everyone wants it, but sometimes we just say, makanlah, aku udah makan 3 tadi, or enggak lah, aku udah kenyang, untukmu aja. And then the result, the red banana stays there because no one take it. And for the second reason is because we often over order food. We order not based on what we need, but what we want. For example, when we hunting food and then we see spicy food stand, we say, yang pedas-pedas kayaknya enak ini. And then, when we see dessert stand, we say, habis makan yang pedas, enaknya makan yang manis-manis nih. And it didn't stop there. It's continued by, chocolate topping looks good, but matcha looks good too. And then finally the plate is full, but the stomach is already full before everything is finished. And then the next reason is because there are picky eaters who tend to have their own preferences for the food they will eat. For example, you have friends that do not like food that's too crispy or don't like food that's too oily, and then so on. And the last reason is because some of us are afraid of being judged badly by our friends. If we show our true desire or our true feeling to finish the food. For example, we are afraid of being called too greedy maybe, and in the end the food is left over. Since we have known the reason of this phenomenon, if we think about it, this habit can actually teach us important life lesson, which is first, it's about gratitude. When we choose our food, it's a form of our responsibility. So we need finish what we have chosen as a way of appreciating what we have. In addition, we don't need to be afraid of other people's judgment because if our intention are good, like finishing the food so we don't waste it, then just go for it. Because the important thing is to politely ask your friends if they still want or not first. So being honest is better than wasting food. Actually, it's not just about food, it's about being wise in our action and taking responsibility for our choices. We need to know that simple things like this can have a big impact when we apply it to our daily life. So after all, it's not just about being full, but also about gratitude. So let's be wiser from now on, not only when we eat together, but also in everything we do. Thank you, and hopefully after this, there will be no more lonely food in your plate. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.